OpenAI just dropped ChatGPT 5, and it's not just another incremental update. We're talking about AI that can build entire applications from a single prompt. In the next 9 minutes, I'm going to show you 3 proven ways people from all over the world are capitalizing on this knowledge gap and earning serious money with ChatGPT 5, even if they're just getting started. So make sure to stick around until the very end. You won't want to miss this. Let me put the power of ChatGPT 5 into perspective. The CEO of OpenAI described the difference like this. The old AI models were like having a high school student in your pocket. But ChatGPT 5, it's like having a PhD level expert available 24/7. Now, the real opportunity isn't just using this for your own projects. It's bringing this incredible power to businesses that desperately need it but don't know how to access it. Think about it. There's never been a moment in history where such advanced technology has been this accessible to everyday people. And because ChatGPT 5 is brand new, everyone is essentially a beginner right now. The playing field is completely level. This is your chance to get ahead by learning these tools faster than others and turning that knowledge into income. The 3 methods we're covering today are all based on one simple principle: bridging the knowledge gap between cutting-edge AI and confused business owners. Let's start with the most beginner-friendly approach: becoming an AI educator. Every time a breakthrough like ChatGPT 5 hits the market, millions of business owners have the exact same thoughts. What does this mean for my company? Am I falling behind? How can I actually use this? Recent studies show that 70% of companies are struggling to give their teams the AI skills they need to stay competitive. These businesses are desperate for guidance and they're willing to pay for it. Your role as an AI educator is simple. Be their guide to understanding this new technology. You can do this in 2 main ways: running live workshops for companies or creating online courses for their teams. Now I know what you're thinking. I just learned about ChatGPT 5 myself. How can I teach companies? Here's the secret. You don't need to be the world's leading expert. You just need to know more than they do. And right now, most businesses know absolutely nothing about AI. You can impress them with a well-structured introduction to AI workshop and some practical tutorials on using ChatGPT 5 for common business tasks. Companies will pay for this because training their existing workforce is much easier and cheaper than hiring new talent. Here's your action plan. Start by finding high-quality educational content about AI, YouTube videos, articles, courses. Take that information and use ChatGPT 5 itself to help you restructure it into a comprehensive workshop plan. Then use presentation tools to create professional slideshows. Once you have your workshop ready, start reaching out to people in your network. But here's the key. Don't ask them directly. Ask if they know anyone who might be interested in a free introductory AI workshop for their business. This second-degree approach is much more effective. Do your first few workshops for free to build experience and testimonials. Once you've refined your presentation and have some success stories, you can start charging $1,000, $2,000, or even more per workshop. People around the world are making incredible money with this approach. Some are earning hundreds of thousands by teaching what they've learned online and packaging it for businesses that need this knowledge. Now, let's talk about something with more substance: becoming what I call a software composer. Think about any small business you know. They're probably running their entire operation on a chaotic mix of spreadsheets and outdated software. What they'd love but could never afford is a custom tool that pulls everything together into something beautiful and functional, something that saves them hours every week. With ChatGPT 5's advanced coding capabilities, you can now solve these problems without writing a single line of code yourself. Your job isn't to be a programmer, it's to be an architect who describes what needs to be built. This is possible because of ChatGPT 5's vibe coding ability. You literally tell the AI what you want, and it creates a tool for you. You become the architect, and ChatGPT 5 becomes your on-demand development team. You can start experimenting with this right now using the free version of ChatGPT. It's perfect for small projects and simple tools. When you're ready for bigger projects, you can use professional tools that integrate ChatGPT 5 directly into code editors, giving you unlimited power to build advanced applications. Here's what's incredible. People with zero coding background are already making serious money with this approach. Some are earning $20,000 per month selling simple internal dashboards to businesses. Others are charging an average of $15,000 for basic apps and MVPs. The beauty of this method is that businesses desperately need these solutions, but traditional software development is expensive and time-consuming. You're offering them a middle ground, custom solutions at a fraction of the cost and time. To get started, begin by identifying common pain points in businesses around you. Maybe it's inventory management, customer tracking, or project coordination. Then use ChatGPT 5 to build simple solutions that address these problems. Start small with basic tools and gradually work your way up to more complex applications as your skills develop. The barrier to entry for building valuable business software has never been lower than it is right now. Our final method tackles the biggest drain on any business: repetitive, manual, and tedious work. For years, we've heard promises about AI agents handling routine tasks, but until recently, these solutions were overhyped and unreliable. They made mistakes and were difficult to implement correctly. ChatGPT 5 changes everything. With its PhD level reasoning, the AI agents you can create are now much more powerful and reliable. They can handle complex business tasks with accuracy that wasn't possible before. This opens up our third business model, starting an AI automation agency. Your job is to find boring, repetitive tasks in businesses and set up smart ChatGPT 5 powered agents to handle them automatically. I know starting an agency might sound intimidating, but here's what most people don't realize. You don't need coding skills. Thanks to drag and drop tools and no-code platforms, building AI agents is like working with digital building blocks. If you can map out a simple process on a whiteboard, you can build an AI automation. Here's your roadmap. First, learn how to build no-code AI agents using available platforms and tools. There are comprehensive guides available that can teach you everything you need to know. Once you've developed your skills, start reaching out to people in your network. Ask if they know anyone who might be interested in free AI automations for their business. You're looking for second-degree connections, people who know people with businesses. When you find someone interested, identify a repetitive task in their business. Maybe they have an email form that generates the same questions over and over. You could convert that into an intelligent chatbot that handles those common inquiries automatically. Build a simple AI agent to solve their problem, install it for free, and use it as a case study. Once you've proven the value, you can start charging for additional projects. The key is starting small and building up your portfolio of successful automations. As businesses see the time and money you're saving them, they'll be happy to pay premium rates for your services. People worldwide are building seven-figure businesses using this exact model, starting from zero technical background, just like you might have right now. So there you have it, 3 non-technical ways to start earning money with ChatGPT 5, becoming an AI educator, a software composer, or starting an AI automation agency. The beautiful thing about AI is that it's truly for everyone. You don't need a computer science degree or years of technical experience. What you need is the willingness to learn and take action while this opportunity is still fresh. You can either be intimidated by AI and sit on the sidelines, or you can dive in, start learning, and build the income stream you've been looking for. The choice is yours. The people who act fast on opportunities like this are the ones who create the life they want. Don't let this pass you by. If this video helped you see the possibilities with ChatGPT 5, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content on building income with AI and entrepreneurship. Your future self will thank you for taking action today.